Alright, here we go on Zauberexpress. Art Engineering Family Coaster, opened in 2021. Both coasters here.
So this coaster has an interesting beginning. You actually go backwards first. Which I actually didn't even know about that.
Whoa!
Oh nein, das war der falsche Zauberspruch.
Oh, 9.
Interesting.
Ritterflug und ab der Zug.
And full speed.
And away we go.
Not bad. Fisher. Cool beaming.
And then we got a second launch.
Second launch. Whoa! Whoa! That's pretty fun. Whoa!
Why is there a spider over there?
And lap two. Oh, it's so fun.
Slow down there.
Oh! Very nice.
Spider. There's a spider over there.
Yeah, why is there a spider right there? Okay. Oh!